Hello everyone, welcome back to ChemOrgChem. In this NEET Chemistry 360 series, we have been exploring the solution for previous year NEET exam papers. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Let's see what's today's problem. So this is the question from NEET 2024. According to this question, the most stable carbocation among the following is. So here you see there are four options. Let's figure out together which one is the correct option for this question. Before moving to the option, you just remember this series. Based on this series, tertiary carbocation is more stable when compared to the secondary, primary, and methyl carbocation. So in this series, methyl carbocation is one of the least stable carbocation. We already know that all the carbocations are stabilized by hyperconjugation. So for that, just take this example. So here you see this one is a ethyl carbocation. So this one is a primary carbocation. So let's see how this ethyl carbocation is stabilized by hyperconjugation. We already know that this carbocation center has vacant p orbital. So now you see this CH. So we know that this CH, how it's formed. So this carbon p orbital and hydrogen s orbital combine to each other to form this CH bond. So this CH bond interacted with this vacant p orbital. So this type of interaction is called hyperconjugation. Let's moving on our first option. So here you see this is the first option. So this carbocation is secondary carbocation since this carbocation surrounded with only two carbon atoms. Therefore, this one is a secondary carbocation. Let's moving on our second option. So this option also secondary carbocation since this carbocation surrounded with two carbon. Here one carbon, here one carbon. Therefore, this one is a secondary carbocation. Let's moving on our third option. So this one is primary carbocation since this carbocation surrounded with only one carbon. So let's moving on our fourth option. So this is tertiary carbocation. So here you see this is the carbocation center surrounded with three carbon. So here one carbon, so here one carbon, and here one carbon. So therefore, this is tertiary carbocation. So based on this series, tertiary carbocation is more stable one when compared to the secondary, primary, and methyl carbocation. So therefore, so this is the correct option for our question. Well, let's write it down the stability order for this four option. So here you see the fourth option. It is a tertiary carbocation. Therefore, that will get more stability. Well, let's write it down the stability order for these four carbocations. So tertiary carbocation is more stable one. Therefore, the fourth option is more stable carbocation. So let's moving on our secondary carbocation. There are two secondary carbocations are present in these options. So let's figure out which one is the most stable one. For that, you just count the how many alpha hydrogens are present in the each carbocations. So here you see this is the carbocation center. The near carbon is called alpha carbon. So here also alpha carbon only. So now you count the how many alpha hydrogens are present in the each carbocations. So here two alpha hydrogen. So here one alpha hydrogen. Therefore, three alpha hydrogens are present in this carbocation. So let's moving on our second option. So here you see, so this is the carbocation center. So this is the alpha carbon as well as this one also alpha carbon. Now you count the how many alpha hydrogens are present in this carbocation. So here 3 and here 2. So total 5 alpha hydrogen. So let's moving on our third option. So here only one alpha hydrogen is present. So here there are 7 alpha hydrogens are present. So increasing the number of alpha hydrogen on carbocation center, which leads to an increase in stability. So based on that, in these two secondary carbocations, so this carbocation, I mean the second option is a most stable one since this carbocation surround with 5 alpha hydrogen. So based on that, now you write it down the stability order. So Second option is more stable when compared to the first option. The least stable carbocation is option 3. So based on our discussion, among the four options, the correct option for this question is option 4. That's it for today's problem. If you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. And finally, thanks for watching. Bye bye.